Hi friends, for today's math journal, we're going to need our 10 frame subtraction match, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. Now I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay friends, so for this one we have to look at the subtraction sentence first. So I have 5 minus 2 equals 3. And then I'm going to come down here and we're going to cut out our tens frames. We're going to look for a picture that matches our subtraction sentence. So I need to look for one that shows 5 acorns minus 2 acorns equals 3 acorns left. So on this one, the ones that are subtracted are going to be the ones that are blacked out. So first I need to look for 5 acorns to start with. This I know is 10. Let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm starting with 5 minus 2 are blacked out equals 1, 2, 3 are left. So this second one matches my subtraction sentence. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So I'm going to cut that one out. And I'm going to get my glue and I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot. And I'm going to glue this one down under 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, friends, so you're going to look at each subtraction sentence. Then find the 10 frame picture that matches the subtraction sentence. Do your very best and remember to bring this with you at the end of the day. We'll see you soon.